continue our tutorial with standard material. Double click, going to the material editor. In the texture, we reach to layer shader. As I explained it before, you can add a lots of layer here and mix them together. For example, if you come back to the color, I explained in the purpose lesson fusion that you can mix two layer. You can do with this multi-layer. You can add a lots of layer like Photoshop. First, here you can insert the shaders, color, noise, everything that there was. Or you can use effects. You can create a folder, remove them. First, we begin from two image. Insert them. Okay, this is my flower layer image number 1. Again, insert another flower to create light fusion. This is all another flower. With a click and drag, you can change the hierarchy of them. Like a Photoshop, the top layer will be displayed. You can right click, open a window to better see that. The top layer is being displayed. Here you can turn them on or off. So this is the top layer that we can see. From here, you can simply use blending mode of them. Interesting. Okay, you can use a blending mode on top of each other. But like a fusion, I want to add a mask between them. So instead of image, go into the shader, and I think I have to use a shader. For example, another to better see that gradient. This is a gradient. We can see the gradient. If you click and drag gradient in here, you cannot see because it is a normal. It does not allow the pass this. So instead of the normal, come down here and make layer mask. And like fusion, explained it before, black and white area, masking this and this. Okay, nice. You can delete that or remove that. Let's work on this flower. You can add a lot of shaders here that you want. If you learn all of these effects, move graph, sketch and tune, you can add a lots of things here. But let's talk about the effects. You can change the brightness, contrast, and gamma of the image that are above. This layer is affecting the layer below. This layer is not because it's in a normal. You can remove or delete. It's just working in effect. Okay, you can change the brightness of your image, contrast your image, the gamma. It's very simple. You can select it and remove that. If you go to the effect, hue, saturation, lightness, you can change the hue color. If you bring it down, you cannot see it because the flower is a top layer. So for effects, you have to click and drag above of all layers. Here you can change the saturation. Here you can right click to make it a 0. You can change the saturation of your color and lightness of that. Here you can make it black and white. Nice. Remove that. Another effect is posterize. You can posterize in your image. Make it a lower. Yeah, you can posterize. The posterize means it's unify a lot of the pixels that are the same, and it creates something like this effect. And effects, colorize. You can load preset of gradient. You can click on here, click on here, click on here, click on here. Double click to change the color of that. I explained it before. Then you can see it's colorizing the image. The color that is selected here. And you can add a gradient. You can use a cycle. I explained it before. With the luminance, red, and the lightness, you can colorize your image. And clamp color, it's very simple for changing the actual brightness of darken and the brightness of part of your, like explained it before in previous lesson. You can clip the color, low clip, high clip to make it darker. Or you can, the transform is very interesting. You can change the angle, you can mirror, you can flip it. It's very interesting when you want to create lots of layer here. You can use it. You can scale in any direction that you want. It's very useful. You can move it in any direction that you want. The last effect is distort. You can add a distort to your wrap your image seamlessly, clamp like this, cycling the distortion. And you can add a rapid strings. You can add a lots of noise to distorting. You can use the noise to distort your image. Interesting. So you can add a lots of layer, and between them you can use a shader, you can use the effects, you can insert image, you can create a folder. For example, click and drag on the folder and organize your work. This is a layer shader. It's a simple explain, but using the MoGraph or a lots of other project that I will be explaining later maybe.